What do you think?
There's a lot going on.
I took a directed studies course with John about soundscape ecology.
The thing that really interested her was not so much the airborne sounds, but the underwater sounds. We pay a lot of attention to how the environment looks, but we rarely think about how it sounds.
One of the places we went out to was Wabamun Lake, where we decided to listen under the ice.
We did get these Corixidae bugs, they're called water boatmen, and they have a file on their leg and a scraper on their cheek, and they sort of tick, 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 tick with the legs, and they make these remarkable sounds.
What was different about this particular location was that we were hearing an unfamiliar sound that was like a snapping and popping kind of sound, not unlike a bowl of Rice Krispies, to be honest. And we weren't hearing it at any other lake that we were visiting.
Then we started hearing another ridiculously bizarre sound in the shallow water at Gull Lake. You know, I'm listening to them and thinking, I don't know what this is. And it was this beautiful feeling of you know, really being somewhere scientifically where no one has really gone.
Places that you don't usually listen to, but all sorts of questions come up from it, like how important is the acoustic component to an environment? It's not something we usually consider. Ultimately, it's still a mystery, and that's kind of, we're planning on going back out there this winter probably to try and get more to the bottom of it.
To my mind, that's just the most fun you can have as a scientist, is just to stumble onto something where you go, I don't know what's going on. That's a romantic idea. That, you know, you can be out at whatever, -20, minus whatever, in January, and there might be insects singing below you in the lake. Isn't that cool? That's very cool.